Hi, I'm Chris Chidzik with IMTS TV, here with James Millard of 4D Technology, and we're going to be discussing the 4D Inspect today. James, could you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. So the Inspect is a metrology tool that our customers are finding pays for itself within a matter of weeks. And it does that due to two things. The first is that by making quantitative measurements, folks are finding they can increase their yield by 20 to 40%. And this is due to being able to, first of all, find parts that might have been discarded but are eligible for rework, and secondly, finding parts that they thought needed rework but in fact were in specification. The other thing that it does is it's a big time saver. So it's a handheld instrument. You can bring it right out to the shop floor and make measurements directly on your parts. Oftentimes you don't need to do any disassembly. And you never need to do any replicast or molding of the material and bringing it back to a metrology lab. You're essentially bringing the lab right out to the shop floor.
Awesome, and could you tell us a little bit about how it works?
Sure, so it uses our patented optical technology and LEDs and combines into a handheld instrument that's so simple that even a CEO can use it.
Awesome, and is this kind of customizable, or do you just kind of call up and get it off the shelf?
So we have two different models right now. We have the original one and the XL we have at the show today. It has twice the resolution, twice the field of view.
And could you tell us a little bit about the software and if that's kind of customizable at all?
Sure. So you get a number of different displays, the most useful of which is the feature analysis, which immediately shows you pass-fail criteria. But we also offer scripting and different capabilities, so you can do remote control, you can mount it on a robot, and customers can customize it as need be.
Okay, cool. And what kind of dimensions can it measure?
So it'll measure from 1/10,000th of an inch up to about 1/10 of an inch. It has about half-inch field of view.
Awesome. Thank you so much. That was James Millard of 4D Technology, and I am Chris Chidzik of IMTS TV. Thanks.